Hi, it's a very good morning to all of you. So today we will start the new chapter, that is circle. So first of all, I want to know the definition of circle from you guys. In the class I asked many times, what do you mean by circle? Some used to say, sir, it is a round figure. Some used to say, sir, it is a closed figure. This is a closed figure, but this is not a circle. Got it? So the proper definition of circle is, circle is a closed figure made by so many points which are at equal distance from a fixed point. That means circle is a combination of many points such that these points must be equal distance from a fixed point. A circle is a combination of infinite number of points, and that points must be at equal distance from a fixed points. And that fixed point is known as the center, and that fixed distance from that center to that points, जो भी points ले रखा हमको, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Radius. So this is the proper definition of circle. That means, sir, circle is a closed figure formed by infinite number of points that are at equal distance from a fixed point. That fixed point is known as center, and that equal distance is known as radius. So this is the definition of circle, and somewhat we got in previous classes. In class 9 also we got. So let's take a quick recap of what we got in class 9. In class 9 we got chord, we got arc, we got sector, we got segment, we got circumscribed circle, we got inscribed circle. So these are the basic terms we got in class 9. So let's revise that. A quick revise we need to take that. Why? Because in 10, whatever the topics we will require, but we need the concept of this also. That is why we got this in previous classes. So see, this is a circle. The best example of a circle is, this is the circle. This is the circle. It is the circle made by infinite number of points which are at equal distance from a fixed point. So this is the best example of a circle. So see, chord we have got in class 9. Chord means, sir, chord is a line segment that joins any two points on the boundary of the circle. This is the boundary of the circle. It is also known as periphery. Periphery or boundary or circumference, na? So a chord is a line segment that joins any two points on the boundary of a circle. That means ये एक boundary में point है, ये एक boundary point में, ये दोनों point जोड़ने वाले line segment को बोलेंगे chord. So chord is a line segment that joins any two points on the boundary of a circle. Arc. So arc is the part of a circle. Arc is the part of the circumference of a circle. That means this is the chord. This AB is the chord. Got it, na? And AB arc will be, this is AB arc. This straight line is, this line segment is AB chord, and this a part of the circumference of the circle. That means यहाँ से लेके ये part भी क्या होगा हमारा arc होगा. यहाँ से लेके ये part भी हमारा क्या होगा arc होगा. That means arc is the part of the circumference of a circle. तो AB is also arc, but इसको ऐसे डिनोट करते हैं. आर्क इज डिनोट एज AB लिखे ऊपर कर्व लगा देंगे, और कोड को AB ऊपर लाइन सेगमेंट लगा देना. इट इज ए कोड. AB कोड भी AB आर्क भी है, तो उसको कैसे लिखेंगे वो देख लो. AB कोड मींस ये दिस लाइन सेगमेंट, और AB आर्क मींस ये, तो इसको लिखेंगे AB ऊपर इट इज ए कोड, और AB ऊपर कर्व लगा दूंगा. इट इज ए आर्क. इट इज एन आर्क. गॉट इट? So this we got in class 9. Sector means, see, first I will explain you segment, then I will explain you sector. Segment means a chord. This is a chord, na? This is a chord. It is a line segment joining any 2 points on the boundary of the circle. So a chord divides the circle into 2 parts. ये ऊपर वाला भाग है और ये नीचे वाला भाग है. ये एक भाग है और ये बड़े वाला भाग है. So these are the segments. That means a chord divides the circle into two. A chord divides the circle into 2 parts. मे भी इक्वल भी हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता. अगर वो डायमीटर भाग करेगा, डायमीटर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड, हमको पता है, जो सेंटर से जाएगा. हाँ, तो डायमीटर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड. डायमीटर ने एक सर्कल को 2 इक्वल भाग में भाग करेंगे. एक को सेमी सर्कल बोलते हैं, उसमें दोनों को सेमी सर्कल बोलेंगे. लेकिन डायमीटर के अलावा जो भी कॉर्ड होगा वो थोड़ी ना इक्वल भाग में भाग करेगा, 2 इक्वल भाग में नहीं भाग करेगा. तो ऊपर वाले को बोलेंगे मेजर सेगमेंट, नीचे वाले को बोलेंगे माइनर सेगमेंट. तो दिस यू हैव गॉट इन क्लास 9. तो दिस इज द सेगमेंट. सेगमेंट मीन्स द part of a circle formed by a chord. Good. Then come to sector. तो sector means क्या है? See, this is circle, this is a chord. ऊपर वाला एक सेगमेंट है, नीचे वाला माइनर सेगमेंट है, ऊपर वाला मेजर सेगमेंट है. दिस इज द सेंटर. तो a sector is the part of the, a sector is the part of the, a sector is the part of the area of the circle. ये पूरा एरिया है अंदर का. तो a sector is the part of the area of the circle formed by an arc and the 2 radius at the center. तो this is a sector. Got it ना? This is a sector. That means sector का definition बोलेंगे, a sector is a part of the area of a circle that is formed by the arc with the 2 radius meeting at the center. तो this is sector. Segment बता दिया आपको. Part of the circle formed by the chord. तो this much we have got in class 9. और आपको 2 ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्लास 10 में. That is 9 में मिला आपको, लेकिन आपको कंसेप्ट में फिर से बता देता हूं. See, circumscribed circle means if any other geometrical figure is circumscribed by a circle, that means this is the circle and this is quadrilateral suppose, और एक ये ट्रायंगल है, ये सर्कल है. Got it ना? So this is circumscribed circle, this is inscribed circle. Circumscribed circle में कोई सा एक ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर सर्कल के अंदर रहेगा सच दैट उसका वर्टिसेस इसमें टच करेंगे बाउंड्री को. इंस्क्राइब्ड सर्कल में वो जो ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर होगा वो बड़ा होगा, सर्कल अंदर होगा सच दैट उसका साइड सर्कल को टच करेगा. गॉट इट ना? सर्कमस्क्राइब्ड सर्कल एंड इंस्क्राइब्ड सर्कल. दिस इज इंस्क्राइब्ड सर्कल, दिस इज सर्कमस्क्राइब्ड सर्कल. तो circumscribed circle means if the geometrical figure is smaller in size than the circle, and if the geometrical figure में भी rhombus, quadrilateral, triangle, pentagon जो भी हो सकता है. If the geometrical figure is inside the circle, touching all the vertices, then that is circumscribed circle. And inscribed circle is if the geometrical figure is larger and the circle is inside the geometrical figure, touching all the sides. That is known as inscribed circle. So this is the quick recap of class 9, what we have got in class 9. So this is very necessary in class 10 to study circle. So in class 10 we will study tangent, a new term you got, tangent. What do you mean by tangent? Tangent, I will tell you what do you mean by tangent. So for class 10 I am starting the topic that is tangent. So today we will just study what do we mean by tangent, then properties of tangent. From tomorrow we will study the properties of tangent, then we will move on to the exercise. So see, this is a circle, this is a circle, this is a circle. See, in this case, this is a chord, you know. This is a line segment. This is a line segment which is touching the 2 points on the boundary of a circle. So this is a chord. If a chord is extended in both the side, remember this term you got in class 9. Now this term you will get new here. If a chord is extended in both the side, दोनों तरफ बढ़ा दिए तो उसको बोलेंगे secant. Got it now? And this is a circle and this line is not touching anywhere, neither cutting, वो बाहर से जा रहा है. This is known as non-intersecting line. This is known as non-intersecting line. And this line is touching the circle. This line is touching the circle at one point only. ये सिर्फ एक point में touch कर रहा है. Got it now? So this line is known as tangent. So what do you mean by tangent? Sir, a tangent is a line that touches the circle at only one point. That touches the circle at only one point. That is tangent. ये chord था हमको 9th में मिला था. This is a line segment that is touching any 2 point. That is connecting any 2 points on the boundary of the circle. ये chord है. Second क्या है? If a chord is extended in both the side, chord यहाँ तक सीमित है, इसको आगे बढ़ा दूंगा दोनों तरफ तो ये secant बन जाएगा. ये non-intersecting line है. ये tangent है सर. If a line segment or if a line touches the circle at only one point, that is known as tangent. तो this is just the introduction. What do you mean by tangent? तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हमने क्या करेंगे, इसके ऊपर प्रॉपर्टीज शुरू करूंगा. What you have to study in class 10, 2-3 प्रॉपर्टीज है टेंजेंट का, वेरी इजी चैप्टर है, तो वो स्टडी करूंगा. उसके बाद हमने उसका एक्सरसाइज में जाना है. आज दिस इज जस्ट द इंट्रोडक्शन. वाई? बिकॉज डायरेक्ट मैं आपको शुरू कर दूंगा, आपको तुरंत थोड़ी ना होता. जस्ट द इंट्रोडक्शन, व्हाट डू मीन ऑफ टेंजेंट एंड व्हाट इज सर्कल, व्हाट वी हैव गॉट इन प्रीवियस क्लासेस. अभी क्या स्टडी करना है, दिस इज द फाइल. हम लोग को कौन सा रास्ते पे जाना है, दिस इज द मेन थिंग. गॉट इट ना? तो हमको ये स्टडी करना है 10th में कि व्हाट इज टेंजेंट, उसका प्रॉपर्टीज, उसका एप्लीकेशन. So this we have got in class 9. So this is just the introduction. From tomorrow we will move on to the properties of tangent and exercise. Okay, bye.